Good morning, children. From Little Bird School. Today I am taking social science subject. Our first chapter is sources of history. Sources of history. It means sources means medium and history means whatever that happens in the past times, it is known as a history. So we will start our chapter. Pay attention here. Early in the morning, you receive a newspaper which makes you aware of the daily events and incidents. Every morning, every early in the morning, our newspaper wala come in door to door in our house and we get a newspaper. From that newspaper, when we are reading the newspaper, we get an information or we know about the daily events or incidents. But when the time passes, after some time these events become the past. When the times were passes, these events become the past. We recall the date and time. In our life, sometimes such a particular thing or such a particular events were happened or incidents were happened which we are memorized or which we are remembering. For an example, our birth date. It is a very important day for us because at that day we become a very happy or cheerful day. It is a very cheerful day for everyone. Okay. When the same type of incident happens, photographs and detailed information given of the past events in the newspaper help us to know our history. In the newspaper, we see many of the photos, pictures, and from that pictures it gives the detailed information for the past events in the newspaper. So it can help us to understand, to know about the history. In the above painting, you can see a stamp, an idol, a seal, utensils, vessels, various other tools. See, in the above pictures, many things were drawn. We can see that there is a stamp, an idol means a statue, a seal, a utensils, vessels and various other tools. It means various other equipments which were used in the past times. We come to know history through such sources. From that things, from that pictures, from that information or from whatever it is, these are the sources. It means these are the mediums to know about the history. It is necessary to have a knowledge of the past times. Yes children, it is very necessary that we have a knowledge about our past time. We have to know about our past time and we have to understand our future situation or our future times because our present is related to our past. Okay, our present is belong to our past. So we have to know our past times or our history and then we have to understand our present situation. We know history of thousands of years from old or ancient buildings, forts, temples, stepwells and other sites. Sometimes we know or we see that many of the ancient monuments, that mosques, temples, viharas, stepwells, forts, ancient buildings. So these all are constructed from thousands of years and now they were remain present here. So from that we know about the history. Let us understand this with the help of an activity. See, when collecting articles, photographs and pictures of a paintings, we gather historical information. We also know that some kind of a people have a habit to collecting an old stamps, old articles, photographs, pictures and pictures of paintings. From that we gather a historical information. It means we know about the historical information, history. We might even know about some people who have the collection of old paintings. We also know some kind of a people that they were collecting an old stamps, old coins or old paintings, photographs, coins, stamps and written information. This treasure of information was passed on to us by earlier generation. This treasure, it means the history and the information of about history. It is a treasure. It means it is a wealth for us. To this which was passing on our earlier times in our present generation. It was happened in the past generation, and it from the information it was passing on our earlier generation. In December 2000, most of the newspaper had published. We see that in December 2000, most of the newspaper has published various articles or photographs on the incidents of events of 20th century. I repeating another time, in the December 2000, most of the newspaper had published various articles, photographs, incidents, whatever happened in the past, events of the 20th century, which become the famous Millennium Gallery. From these incidents published in the articles, it becomes a famous Millennium Gallery. Millennium Gallery. I am saying that millennium meaning. Millennium means a period of 1,000 years, especially when calculated from the traditional date of the birth of Christ. I am repeating another time the millennium meaning. A period of 1,000 years, especially when calculated from the traditional date of the birth of Christ. So today children, up to this, our next we meet next time, then we continue our this chapter. Okay, thank you children.